Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking to step into the world of DSLR photography without spending a fortune, the Canon EOS 2000D, also known as the Rebel T7, remains one of the most popular beginner cameras available. But is this complete 3-lens bundle actually worth buying? What do all those specifications mean in everyday photography? And why do so many first-time photographers continue to choose this camera? Let's find out. At the heart of this camera is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor. That combination allows you to capture detailed photos at a maximum resolution of 6,000 by 4,000 pixels, giving you plenty of room for cropping, printing, or sharing on social media while maintaining excellent image quality. Whether you're photographing landscapes, family gatherings, vacations, or portraits, the image detail is a huge upgrade over most smartphones. The included Canon EOS 1855mm f/3.5 5.6 lens is an ideal everyday zoom lens. At 18mm, it's great for landscapes, travel, and group shots. Zoom into 55mm, and it becomes perfect for portraits and everyday photography. This versatility means you can leave one lens on the camera for most situations without constantly changing equipment. This bundle becomes even more exciting because it includes both a wide-angle attachment and a telephoto lens attachment. The wide-angle converter helps you capture more of the scene, making it perfect for architecture, interiors, and sweeping landscapes. The telephoto attachment brings distant subjects much closer, making wildlife, sports, and outdoor photography much easier without investing in expensive professional lenses. Storage is another major highlight. The included 128GB memory card provides room for thousands of high-resolution JPEG photos or hundreds of full HD videos. For many users, that's enough storage for multiple trips before needing to transfer files. Speaking of video, the Rebel T7 records full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. While many creators focus on photography with this camera, its video quality is more than capable for YouTube, school projects, travel videos, and family memories. One reason beginners love this DSLR is its straightforward controls. Canon's Scene Intelligent Auto Mode automatically adjusts exposure settings based on what you're photographing, making it incredibly easy to start shooting immediately. As your photography skills improve, you can switch into manual, aperture priority, shutter priority, and other creative shooting modes to gain complete artistic control. Autofocus is handled by a 9-point AF system, featuring a center cross type autofocus point for improved precision when focusing on your subject. Combined with continuous shooting speeds of up to 3 frames per second, it's capable of capturing family moments, pets, and everyday action with confidence. The camera supports an ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800, allowing you to continue shooting even as lighting conditions become darker. Whether you're photographing sunsets, indoor events, or evening streets, the camera offers solid flexibility for different environments. On the back, you'll find a bright 3-inch LCD screen with approximately 920,000 dots, making it easy to review your photos, adjust settings, and compose live view shots. The classic optical viewfinder also gives photographers that authentic DSLR shooting experience many enthusiasts still prefer. Connectivity is another useful feature. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allow you to quickly transfer photos to compatible smartphones or tablets, making it simple to edit and share your images without waiting until you get home. This particular bundle also includes an external flash, giving you additional lighting when shooting indoors, portraits, events, or low-light scenes. Having extra lighting available can make a noticeable difference in the quality of your photos, especially for beginners learning how lighting affects photography. Another advantage of choosing the EOS 2000D is access to Canon's enormous lineup of EF and EFS lenses. As your skills grow, you can easily expand your photography setup with specialized portrait, macro, sports, or landscape lenses without replacing the camera body. So, is the Canon EOS 2000D/Rebel T7 III lens kit worth buying? For anyone starting photography, absolutely. You're getting a proven 24.1 MP DSLR, a versatile standard zoom lens, wide angle and telephoto accessories, a massive 128GB memory card, an external flash, built-in wireless connectivity, full HD video recording, and Canon's trusted ecosystem, all packaged into one beginner-friendly bundle that lets you start shooting right out of the box. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll